Hello friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm your host, Jahid. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're someone who understands English but struggles to speak, then this video is specially made for you. Many learners tell me, Jahid, I can understand English when I watch movies or listen to songs, but when it's my turn to speak, I feel blank. I get nervous. My words come out very slow. Sometimes I don't even know how to reply. My friend, if you feel this way, you are not alone. This is completely normal. Almost every English learner faces this problem. The good news is that speaking is not a special talent, it is a skill. And like any skill, riding a bicycle, cooking, or playing cricket, you can become really good at it with the right methods, practice, and time. In today's video, I will explain how beginners can start speaking confidently, how you can improve step by step, and why repetition is one of the most powerful secrets to become fluent in English conversation. So stay with me till the end. First, let's remove one big myth. Many people believe that some are naturally good at languages while others are not. Science says this is not true. Conversation is not a gift. It is built through practice. Every fluent speaker you see today also started with simple words like, hello, how are you, and short, broken sentences. The only difference is they didn't quit when it felt difficult. They kept practicing. So, the first important truth I want you to remember is this. You can become fluent. It is not magic. It is not about talent. It is about slow, daily practice. Now, here is a common mistake beginners make. They try to speak very fast and use big, difficult words from the very beginning. When they can't do it, they feel stressed and stop speaking completely. Please don't do that. Instead, start with small steps. Use simple, short sentences. Use only the words you already know. If you don't know a particular word, explain it with other words. For example, if you don't know the word chef, you can say the person who cooks food in a restaurant. That is still good conversation. People will understand you. Communication is always more important than perfect grammar. Yes, grammar is important, but don't worry too much about it in the beginning. Focus on speaking and being understood first. Your grammar will improve naturally as you listen and speak more. Now, let's talk about the foundation of good speaking, listening. Language enters through your ears before it comes out of your mouth. This is why listening is the first and most important step. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts learning natural patterns, how sentences are built, how words connect, the rhythm, and the music of real conversation. We call this input. The more good input you give your brain, the easier speaking becomes later. At the beginning, just listen without pressure. You don't need to understand every single word. Even if you understand 50% or 60%, that's perfectly fine. With time and regular listening, your understanding will grow automatically. And here comes one of the most powerful techniques, repetition. Many students think repetition is boring, but repetition is actually how your brain becomes strong in a new language. When you hear or say a sentence only once, your brain makes a weak connection. If you don't meet that sentence again, the connection becomes weak and disappears. But when you hear the same sentence many times today, tomorrow, and next week, that connection becomes stronger, faster, and automatic. This is why I always recommend listening to the same podcast episode or YouTube video multiple times. First time, you understand the general idea. Second time, you catch many new words and phrases. Third time, you notice pronunciation, intonation, and grammar. Fourth time, you can start shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you speak at the same time as the speaker. You try to copy their pronunciation, speed, and rhythm. At first, it feels difficult, and you may fall behind, but with practice, it becomes easier. Shadowing improves your pronunciation, builds muscle memory in your mouth, and trains your brain to speak without thinking too much. Just like a musician practices the same song again and again, you must practice the same English sentences many times. Speaking English is exactly like building muscles in the gym. If you go to the gym once a month, you won't see results. But if you go a little bit every day, you become stronger and stronger. The same rule applies to English. Make English a part of your daily life. Listen to English every morning for 10-15 minutes. Speak to yourself in English while cooking, walking, or taking a shower. Repeat useful phrases out loud. Watch a short English video and then describe what you saw in your own simple words. Remember, consistency is more important than long study sessions. 15 minutes every day is much better than 2 hours once a week. Your brain loves small, regular practice. Fluency does not mean speaking very fast like a native speaker. Fluency means speaking naturally, clearly, and without long pauses. You don't need perfect English. You just need English that people can understand and enjoy. Here is how fluency actually develops. At first, you translate everything in your head. This is slow. With practice, you start remembering whole phrases. Later, you stop worrying about grammar and focus on meaning. Finally, conversation becomes automatic. You speak and reply naturally without planning every word. This process takes time, but it always works if you continue. Important point. Many learners wait for a perfect partner or native speaker to practice. You don't have to wait. You can practice speaking alone every single day. Talk about your day in English. Explain what you are doing right now. Ask yourself questions and answer them out loud. Pretend you are talking to a friend. At first it may feel strange, but this self-talk is extremely powerful. It trains your brain to think in English and makes your mouth comfortable with English words. Now, here is a simple, practical plan you can start following from today. 1. Listen to 10-15 minutes of slow or clear English every day. 2. Choose one short episode or video and listen to it at least 3 times in a week. 3. After the second listening, try shadowing 1 or 2 minutes of the audio. 4. Speak out loud every day, even if it's just 5-10 minutes. 5. Regularly review and repeat common conversation phrases. If you follow this plan seriously for the next 3 months, I promise you your English conversation will change completely. You will feel more confident. You will respond faster. You will enjoy speaking English. My dear friends, learning English conversation is a journey, not a race. It doesn't matter if you speak slowly right now. It doesn't matter if you use simple words. Every time you open your mouth and try, you are taking one step forward. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. One day, without even noticing, something beautiful will happen. You will stop translating in your head. You will just speak naturally. That day will come because of the small efforts you are making today. I am really proud of you for working on your English. You are doing something very important for your future. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn and Success for more practical English lessons. Comment below. What is your biggest difficulty in English speaking? I read all your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jahid, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep succeeding. Bye for now.